What's up, investors? Ken here from the Dyslexic Investor, and oh my goodness, Tesla! I cannot stop talking about this. Every single day, I open up my Thinkorswim or any portfolio or any news site, and they're all talking about Tesla. And then Tesla today making another brand new high at 462, so $462.06. All-time high. And again, we had a marker way back when at $671.33. Honestly, that's not that far off. That's $200-ish, $210 away from that price, and we've come well more than double from its low way back when, about 6 months ago, at 176.99. And of course, I have to share this. This is absolutely fabulous. This is our friend, Mr. Elon Musk, dancing away here. Let's turn the mute off. He's so dancing at the gigafactory, saying not safe for work, taking his shirt off, revealing the new Shanghai gigafactory on the graphic tee, just dancing away, showing his love for China and the company. All right, so that being said, also, I'm going to put a clip in here now. You have Mr. Jim Cramer becoming a believer. He's astonished on how everything is going.
Recently, I'm a believer. 10 months he built that plant.
Yeah.
10 months. Hey, listen, the moment you throw a rock at a window and it goes right through it and the deposits soar, I mean, come on. I mean, David, 27% of the float is short. People still don't believe.
And listen.
Again, so you can see that Jim Cramer also showing that, hey, if they need money, they just need to snap their fingers. They got the $2 billion or whatever they need for more funding. So if they can build a factory in 10 months in China, how fast could they build the factory in Berlin, Germany? Like, being able to build 2 major factories around the world within 2 years, a year and a half, like, that would be absolutely astonishing. Be accomplishing things that someone hasn't done in a really long time. So looking at the overall price of Tesla, should you be buying right now? Again, I can't okay it. It's just been on a run. Like, it's just too high. Like, I can't fathom this run. Like, honestly, this right here, I'm honestly kicking myself in the side of the head right here around the 336 level. I had an alert. I just didn't pull the trigger because I thought it was continually going to go down. It made a nice base. I should have bought in probably around the beginning of December. Again, this is all hindsight. I would have had a monster run. That being said, I didn't do it. I know other people who have, but I just didn't have the fortitude and the pursuit to be able to buy this. So I had to stand patient. It didn't. It met my marker. I just didn't pull the trigger. I should have been a robot and pulled the trigger there. That being said, now it's just gone off to the moon, and I cannot be able to get it back. It's just too high up there. I can't reach it. I can't reach for it. I can't go for it. Again, we have this price target at $671 way up here. That is not that far off. Like, we can, if everything goes well and all the other expansions goes great, like, this can be very reachable, guys. On a weekly chart, again, don't look at the RSI too much because it could show negative readings of being overbought. And usually, what people do with that is they sell that, like, and just start getting out. Like, if you bought this in any time, even of like the last 6 months. Again, this is my opinion. If I had 10 shares, whatever amount of shares, I would be taking some off the table because this has just been a huge run in this stock. You shouldn't be holding it for a dividend because it's a growth stock. So the next quarter coming up, this could be literally a wild card here on the 29th of this month, and that's less than, let's look here, 29th, basically 3 weeks away. So 3 weeks away, you might have another chance to buy into this, depending how the quarter goes. Who knows, that the could go straight to the moon. So I want to look at the overall movement in the options for that month. So January 29th, which should be right about here. So they're playing plus or minus $36, and then the other one prior to that is probably be close plus or minus $53. So a movement of $53 from here would be easily make it to well over 500 or below 400. So we're going to actually create some price alerts, because if it hits my target again, I have to execute. I have to get in this. I have to start a starter position and be able to get this monster drive, because this could be a move from all ages. At or below, I'm going to create here, and then I think if it reaches up to here, it's going to be this is going to be crazy up here. Like, this is like my range. I'm just going to have to kind of keep this in mind here and look at some price targets moving forward. But wow, what a run on Tesla. I'm super happy for them. Godspeed. Let me know down in the comments down below if you're in Tesla, if you're patient. Are you going to be just buying it today, like at all-time highs? Some people say that might be a smart idea to buy at all-time highs, but coming into the quarter, I'm a little worrisome. I'm more conservative in that sense. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. This is Ken from the Dyslexic Investor. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.